Hello all you lovely folk at Drumnadrochit. Right, this is the last one before Easter, and then I'll probably most likely be back in video form after Easter, but who knows? Who knows? So let's recap, because we've learned a couple of songs and we've been doing lots of high and lots of low. And I want to show you different instruments that have high and instruments that have low sounds, because we've got the piano, but there's lots of others that I can show you. But before we do that, let's say hello to everybody. So start with your hands in the air, up, down, ready, up, down, turn around, touch the sky and touch the ground, wiggle fingers, wiggle toes, wiggle shoulders, say hello. Hello, and how are you today? You having a good day? Could things be better? Or is today just not your day? Well, here's hoping all your thumbs are up, especially with the hint of chocolate Easter eggs on the horizon. So let's go over the two songs that we've done. And we did Higher Than a House. Do you remember that one? Higher than a house, higher than a tree, underneath the wall. So should we try it then? Let's just go for it and see what our brains can remember. So we've got to start with our hands in the air. The actions are really important. Ready, higher than a house, higher than a tree, underneath the water, underneath the sea. What can it be? That one went up at the end. Should we try one where we go down at the end? Let's try it. Ready, higher than a house, higher than a tree, underneath the water, underneath the sea. What can it be? Good job. Did it come back to you? I had to try and remember that. I was like, oh, it's amazing how when you move on to another song, but it's good to remind ourselves, good to keep those memories going. And we've been learning quite a difficult one, haven't we? The other one that we've been doing, high, low. So let's try this one. So lots of movement in this one. I'm going to use my shoulders this time because you can't really see when I touch my belly. So let's try it, shall we? So we go high. So we start up here. Ready, high, low, chicka low, chicka low, chicka low, high, low, chicka low, chicka low, high. How does that go? One more time. Ready, high, low, chicka low, chicka low, chicka low, high, low, chicka low, chicka low, high. That one was a bit faster. Did you manage it? I'm sure you did. Now, actually, I've got something to show you. It's the ukulele. Now, I often play this one, especially with my hello songs. Now, ukulele is very small, and the small instruments tend to have a high sound. They tend to have a high sound like that. And then the bigger instruments have a lower sound. So let's high, low. Should we try high, low, chicka low with this and see how it sounds? High, low, ready, ready, high, low, chicka low, chicka low, chicka low, high, low, chicka low, chicka low, high. Now what's this big brother? This one's got a big brother and it's got 6 strings. It kind of looks like a ukulele, but it's really big. Yeah, I've played this one for you before as well. It's a guitar. Can you hear the difference? See, it sounds a lot lower, doesn't it? Let's try the song with this one and see how it sounds. High, ready, high, low, chicka low, chicka low, chicka low, high, low, chicka low, chicka low, high. A different sound, a lot louder as well, because it's bigger, it's got a boomier sound. Now, I'm going to show you 2 other instruments. Now, you have to excuse my playing on these because I haven't been practicing as much as I should have on the whistle. But these are whistles. Now, notice the difference. Look at the difference between these whistles. Now, what did I say? Remember, the smaller instrument has the higher sound. the bigger instrument has the lower sound. So we've got a tin whistle here. So let's have a look at the small one first and see if it sounds loud. Now I'm going to attempt a tune. And we'll see how it goes. So that was a very high sound, wasn't it? Very high sound. Now let's play the same tune, but this time with my low whistle. Now, with my theory, this should sound lower. Now tell me what you think if it sounds lower. I have to stretch my fingers out really far even to get my fingers on the holes for this one. Oh. So it just shows you, even the people that do this for a living have to practice, which is something I need to do. So can you hear the difference there? That one sounds really low to this one. You can really hear the different sounds. So there's 4 instruments there. So have a think about it and decide which one your favourite one was. Maybe it's a piano, guitar, ukulele, big whistle, small whistle, and let me know. And hopefully it's inspired some of you to maybe think about maybe you'd like one day like to play one of these instruments. Okie dokie, so have a lovely Easter break. Hope you get lots of yummy food, and hopefully I'll see you again after your holidays.